Turmeric, a golden spice, has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. But can it really tackle diabetes? Recent studies suggest turmeric's active compound, curcumin, holds anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These might be beneficial for diabetes management. Curcumin's role in lowering blood sugar levels is under investigation. Some research shows promising results, yet it's not a standalone cure. Incorporating turmeric into your diet could potentially aid in controlling blood glucose levels. However, it should complement, not replace, prescribed diabetes treatments. The recommended dosage of turmeric for diabetes management is yet to be standardized. It's crucial to consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplement. Excessive consumption of turmeric can lead to digestive issues and interfere with certain medications. Moderation is key. In conclusion, while turmeric may offer some benefits for diabetes control, more research is needed. Always prioritize professional medical advice.